How to share your screen on Zoom. If you're using Zoom for a classroom or a meeting, there may be times that you want to share your screen to show other attendees a specific presentation or a document or a video and whatnot. Using Zoom, it's super easy to do that. It only takes a few quick steps. So once you join your Zoom meeting, you have some options at the bottom of your screen with different controls. One of those options is Share Screen. If you're not the host of the meeting, there may be times that this button isn't available to you, and that's because the host settings has disabled sharing screen for other attendees. However, if it is available to you, just click the button, and you'll be presented with a few options. So first you can share your entire desktop, and if you have multiple screens, you can see both screens. You can share a whiteboard, your iPhone or iPad via AirPlay, an iPhone or iPad via your cable, and you can select specific applications that may be open. So you can select a browser window or an app. For today, we're going to share a Google Chrome window. So if we select that and then click Share in the bottom right corner, your Zoom meeting will be minimized and a bar appears at the top of your screen to indicate that you're sharing the screen. Other attendees can only see what you selected to share. So even though we may have other windows open, they can only see this one Google browser that we selected. You can then continue using the browser if you want to watch a video or share a document and continue a presentation, and everyone else will be able to see it. When you want to stop sharing your screen, just click Stop Share in the sharing toolbar, and you'll go back to your regular Zoom screen. And that's how to share your screen on Zoom. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.